Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about protecting your systems from cyber attacks, today's video is for you. We're going to talk about the benefits of penetration testing, a critical technique in cybersecurity that helps organizations identify vulnerabilities and improve their defenses. In case you missed it, we've already covered an overview of penetration testing and explained the process step by step in previous videos. Make sure to check those out to get the full picture. But for today, we're going to focus on the real-world benefits of penetration testing and why it's so essential for safeguarding your systems. Let's jump right in. First and foremost, penetration testing is all about identifying weaknesses in your systems. When a penetration test is conducted, cybersecurity experts, or ethical hackers, will mimic the methods used by real attackers to uncover flaws in your infrastructure. These can include anything from poor network configurations to outdated software that hasn't been patched. Imagine you're running an organization with highly sensitive data, like customer financial information. The last thing you want is to have that data fall into the wrong hands due to an unnoticed security flaw. This is where penetration testing shines. It uncovers these hidden vulnerabilities before someone with malicious intent can exploit them. The beauty of penetration testing is that it doesn't just identify a single issue. It can reveal a wide range of problems across the network or system. For instance, you might have weak firewall rules that allow unauthorized access, or maybe the software you're using has unpatched security holes. With these early discoveries, you can fix the issues before they become real threats, drastically reducing your risk of a cyber breach. To bring this to life, let's look at the automotive industry, where vehicles are becoming more connected and autonomous. Penetration testing is used to assess the cybersecurity of the vehicle's internal systems. Imagine a scenario where a hacker could exploit vulnerabilities to take control of a car's essential functions, like steering or braking. Sounds scary, right? By running a penetration test, ethical hackers would attempt to exploit these kinds of weaknesses before attackers have the chance. It's all about getting ahead of the threat, and that's why penetration testing is so valuable in industries like automotive, healthcare, and finance, where security breaches could have catastrophic consequences. Now, let's talk about another crucial benefit. Penetration testing provides valuable insights into the effectiveness of your current security measures. Just like you'd run diagnostics on a machine to ensure it's working correctly, penetration testing gives you an in-depth look at how your system would hold up under a real attack. For example, after a penetration test, you'll receive a detailed report that highlights the strengths and weaknesses of your current security protocols. This report will outline where your defenses are holding strong and, more importantly, where they need improvement. Think of it as getting a cybersecurity report card, and the insights from this report are incredibly valuable. They allow you to refine your security strategy, plug the gaps, and even prioritize certain vulnerabilities that need immediate attention. The result? A much stronger defense against real-world cyber attacks. Having this knowledge means you're not just guessing where your vulnerabilities might be, you have a clear roadmap to follow to strengthen your overall security. Plus, it gives you confidence in the parts of your system that are already well protected. On top of that, penetration testing is also a critical component for organizations that need to meet compliance regulations. Many industries have strict cybersecurity requirements, like GDPR for data protection in Europe, or ISO standards for manufacturing and technology. Regular penetration testing helps organizations not only meet these regulations, but also stay compliant by ensuring that their security measures are up to date and functioning as they should. This means that by conducting regular penetration tests, your organization can avoid the hefty fines and legal penalties that come with non-compliance. Even better, penetration testing helps demonstrate to stakeholders, including customers, partners, and regulatory bodies, that your organization takes cybersecurity seriously and is committed to protecting sensitive data. So, as you can see, the benefits of penetration testing are immense. From identifying weaknesses to providing crucial insights and ensuring compliance with industry standards, this type of testing is a must for organizations that are serious about cybersecurity. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, questions, or any experiences you've had with penetration testing in your own field. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. In our next video, We'll be taking a closer look at fuzz testing, another powerful testing method used to uncover vulnerabilities by inputting random data into a system. It's an automated technique that helps detect edge cases that might slip through other types of testing, and you definitely won't want to miss that one. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.